Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Xiaomi Mi Desk Lamp 1S and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there are two main reasons you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If this lamp is not connecting to your network, or it's not detected, or if it keeps disconnecting, it's not syncing with the app, anything like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset. The second reason you might want to do this is if you just want to set this lamp up on a new network, like maybe you're moving or anything like that, and you're selling it, anything where you want to have it sort of back to the way it was when it came out of the box so you can set it up new. This is quite easy to do. All we need to do is, first of all, we need to make sure that our lamp is plugged in, or if this will not work. And then we're going to get like a paper clip or a pin or something like that, and find on the bottom of the lamp base there is a recessed reset hole. And you're just going to push in and with your paper clip or whatever, and hold that button for about 5 seconds. And basically you'll know that it's working when the lamp starts to kind of breathe, that light coming on and off in a breathing motion. And then you can let go, and then just allow it to complete its reset, which will turn off when it's done. So the breathing light will stop and it will just turn off. And you can go ahead and set your lamp up as a brand new lamp.